Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Myra's iconic look from the K-pop Demon Hunters in the Avatar world. So if you're obsessed with the amazing style of Myra from the viral K-pop Demon Hunters series, you can just follow my steps in here to create this look. So first you can start with the skin tone. So change the skin tone in here. I'm going to use this colors right here for the skin tone and change the eye. So I'm going to use dark brown for the eyes. This color right here. And now I'm going to change the eyebrow using, let's see, get these eyebrows right here and change the color into this pink color. And now change the mouth. I'm going to use this one with pink color, of course. And then I'm going to change the clothes. So click on the clothes in here and go to this one, and I'm going to wear this crop top right here. And for the bottom, I'm going to use a skirt. Let's use this one and change the color into yellow color. I think I'm going to go with this color right here. And now for the shoe, I'm going to wear this one. So now once you're done in here, you can change the hair. So first let's go to the hair salon. So once you're in the hair salon, you can just here choose or change the hairstyle with this one's right here. Click on a check icon, and once the hair color is changed, just dye the hair color to using this pink colors right here. You'll get this look. Now let's go back to edit the avatar. So the last step that you need to do is change the back of the hair. So let's click on the hair in here and choose this one. Scroll down until you see this pigtails. Click on it and change the color to pink. So guys, this is how it will look like for Myra in a K-pop Demon Hunter. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.